I'm going to walk you through real quick the reporting package 3.04, other receivables, the changes to it, and normally you get this package populated already when you receive it. This time you're going to receive it. It is populated, but it's in the background. So in order to get it to populate, what you're going to need to do when you get this package is you're going to need to go to the signature page and select your agency. And I'm just going to use D100 as a good example. So I'm going to select D100 on the signature page. You can't select it anywhere else. And when I go to this page right here, 3.04, it will populate with the fund and the balance. But if you don't select it, it will be blank. So make sure you select your agency number first. The second thing that I want to show you is if what is auto-populating here is what is on the general ledger, but if you have receivables that are not on the general ledger that you need to let us know about, you would just go to the end of what's being reported. So for this agency, they have two items on the general ledger, one in Fund 1001 and one in 3035. So you would go to Agency Fund 3 and you would type in your number, and it has to be an 8-digit number. And then you would put in your beginning balance, make sure it's a whole amount, and you would just keep going through adding each fund number until you reach the end. And then of course on the reviewer's checklist, this agency number will auto-populate here. Make sure you answer all the questions that are in red, and right here when you get to the end, make sure you save your file with your agency number first. So when you get your file, just replace the SEC with your agency number, and that's all you need to do to save it. And also make sure any supporting documentation that you submit with your package is saved in the same format, with your agency ID first, followed by the package number, followed by a description of whatever supporting documentation, signature page, whatever is that file is. And so once you go through and save all your information, this closing package, this error right here should go away. The only other thing that's new on this package is just the date submitted to the CAFR team, and this should be the date that it is emailed into the inbox. And so just make sure it can be different from the date reviewed. So if you review it on Wednesday but you submit it on Thursday, then your dates would be different. And that is a very high level of the other receivables package. If you have any questions, contact Kelly Stigemeyer, formerly Kelly Gent. She got married a couple weeks ago, at this phone number here. This is her direct line. This is her office, her email, whatever, and she can help you. Or of course you can reach out to the CAFR inbox, and whoever is managing that inbox for the day will get it to the right person. So good luck. Make sure you get these packages in on time, and any questions that you have, make sure you ask them before the date they're due so that we can get you a proper and whole response. Thank you.